if you look at this blurry image here, okay, you will see that this is a list of companies who have been rejected. Have you ever been rejected by a chick before?
All the time. I'm not afraid to say that.
Okay.
It doesn't bother me for crap.
Listen, man.
It's your decision. You're the one losing out. I don't care.
Listen, sir. I don't think that resonates any more better than a time than right now.
Shit. I got my money to spend, man.
The rejectors are losing massively right now. But we'll leave that there. Well, listen, there is another person that is getting rejected, man, such as all of these companies here that filed for a Bitcoin ETF.
I'm actually happy about it, man. People need to go sit down somewhere, man. We don't need
Yes.
this freaking ETF.
Listen, you can hang out and wait for an ETF if you want, or you could just go buy the Bitcoin itself. Your choice. The question is, how free are you in your mind? Because the reality is, as much as you think that you're in control of your mind, you do not have the authority to go buy this Bitcoin for yourself until BlackRock says you can.
Sure, or the CNN tells you can, or Fox News,
Accept the slavery that you live under.
or CNBC.
Exactly. Madness.
Jeez.
So let's jump over here then.
Man, before you jump though, you don't have any people got destroyed over just that decision.
Hey, I'm sure Big Boy Crypto was probably one of them.
Oh man, come on, man. That guy needs help. Come on, let's not joke about him right now.
What you mean?
Anybody that trade probably got destroyed on that movement.
Yeah, I've been wrecked too. Why can I not make fun of him? He's been wrecked too.
But Bitboy Crypto has the drug issues going on. He was using drugs.
I'm not his father, bro. I don't care. Get your life together. Go to rehab. It is what it is, man. Dude, I'm just saying. I'm talking about trading. I don't care about your personal life, bro. I don't care. You want to listen, okay? You want to do drugs?
It's all connected. It's all connected. If you trade Bitcoin, tell me, do you sleep? So of course you gotta use drugs.
listen. Okay, I've been liquidated before. You've been liquidated before. We've all been liquidated before.
$3,000 a month ago. I won everything back. $9,000. Boom. A week or so ago.
It is what it is. Okay, we must all take responsibility for ourselves. You're a man, sir. I don't need to give you any advice. You can do better. Now, here's where I'm going. The SEC rejects spot Bitcoin ETF applications from ARC20. But this is just one article you're looking at, okay?
Yeah,
Obviously, we just showed you the list.
Yeah, you got Bitwise, you got BlackRock, you got Grayscale, you got Wisdom Tree, you got Invesco, you got Fidelity, you got Valkyrie, you got Global X. The list goes on.
Wrecked. Your next stepped upon by the SEC is what happened.
I'm telling you, man, those people are a fraud. Biggest scam ever.
I did not expect this. In many ways, you could look at it just as fraud as it was in any other time.
I never expected it.
I did not expect
You never expected it.
I never expected this. Now, let me point out two things that happened. Michael Burry put his whole account essentially on a short position on the market.
Yep.
Then shortly after, boom.
Crashed the market down.
And he made stupid money. The same people that trade Bitcoin, okay, because I saw a post on Twitter about there was an institution that had like this, they had, it's low leverage positions with chunks of money to the upside. And a couple days later, Bitcoin ran up. You saw that big candle? I saw that tweet before the big candle.
Oh, before the announcement.
Yes. So someone made profit on that trade. So you have to ask yourself, was the SEC ever really going to approve this thing? Or did these people just engage in a quick cash grab?
Someone knew that there was going to be that judgment for Grayscale that they were going to win that court case. So they got in, took that profit.
Yes.
So are we saying now that Bitcoin is being monopolized? Or not Bitcoin, but Bitcoin on exchanges?
Well, the price of Bitcoin on exchanges, especially for people who are engaged in leverage trades, is certainly being manipulated, I would say. At least it seems that way. I mean, when you see people take certain action ahead of time, which essentially mounts up to front running the rest of the market. Let's call it for what it is. Or we can try to be diplomatic and bullshit each other all day.
It's called bring the ships in and let's slaughter them. Or bring the pigs in and let's slaughter them.
Exactly. And so people have gotten liquidated and liquidated and liquidated over and over again. So this is, while surprising, when you really break it down, not shocking. There's other angles to this as well. Maybe they're trying to make sure that they have that floor entry.
Yeah, we did several videos ago that talked about who controls the media.
Yeah.
Who controls the markets. We already have identified that the stock markets, you and I don't control that markets.
Yeah.
You are just a pawn in that old Ponzi scheme. And they're bringing that energy, that tool set into the crypto space now. And you're starting to see that already before even getting approved for the ETF. Here's how. You put the news in the media. Oh, Bitcoin is going to 250K. Bitcoin is going to 180K. You get the pigs and the ships to go and buy. Right? Whereas the entire time you know that you are just bringing them in to get slaughtered because you know what you're going to do next. Right? The SEC is involved in all of this. Right? And then you put this whole, we're going to delay the ETF approval till another time.
Yeah, so that they can pump it again.
It's the same thing they do in the stock market.
Absolutely.
It's not even technicals. It's nothing about what Bitcoin is doing and the adoption rate and anything. It's all just news.
Yes.
People are trading the news and people are getting destroyed. And they're using that to also now start saying, oh, Bitcoin search on the internet is going down. No, you are, number one,
Yeah, I saw that.
shadow banning the actual improvement and innovation that Bitcoin is doing in the society.
Wasn't there a Bitcoin channel that recently got all of the videos deleted?
Yes.
Yes. How are people going to search them if you've deleted them? Of
Yes.
course, you think it's going down because you've shadow banned it. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to sit around and play today like this, everything is not manipulated by all these big corporations, okay? This video, which we're doing right now, you might not even see it.
Yep.
People are wiser than this. I have faith in humanity. That's how I choose to live. I choose to go with a positive outlook. Okay, and I think people owe it to themselves to just put in a little bit of effort to educate themselves, a little bit of effort to strengthen your knowledge, and I promise you, you will find that the integrity of everything around you will probably change direction. Because right now, it's fully in control of these people, and you don't even know what is hitting you. Go ahead.
They're starting to feel it with the oil inflation.
Yeah.
And you put your money in the bank, it's not worth the same thing. You put it in the stock market crashes. You try to go do crypto, you get wiped out. In the meantime, you have Bitcoin that is here to get you out of this old scam that we've all been caught up in, that we've all been told all our lives.
Yeah.
And they tell you to go put it on the exchange so that this madness can happen to it. Or tell you to go buy an ETF so that they can tell you to pay a ETF management fee. Kind of like the bank charges you a fee to put your money in the bank. No, your money is your money. It should belong to you. You should be able to hold it. You don't need to be paying fee for creating value and to be able to store that value and hold that value. Just keep it. That is why Bitcoin was created in the first place. Come on, peoples.
All right. Or you could just wait, Wait till you get wrecked. Wait till you get screwed over. Wait till you get your next step done.
By the way,
They can go ahead.
Fidelity is mining Bitcoin like crazy. BlackRock owns what? Is it 20-30% of all the 4 largest mining companies?
Hey, it's interesting. Imagine this. BlackRock is buying all of these things, spending all of this money because they think it's going to go to zero.
BlackRock would never do that.
Oh, yeah, I know. I know. So that's what I'm trying to understand. Who are these people? These people who will not take the effort to study these things. What do you think is about to happen? Because I'll tell you this. We're going to find out your answer. Except at that point, all you'll be doing is bitching on TikTok about how things are rough. Maybe that one is a bit harsh. But it's life. What are you going to do about it? Are you going to continue bitching about it on TikTok, or are you going to educate yourself? Because you see, here's the thing: people want to go on TikTok and cry and expect sympathy from people. I don't really feel sympathy for anyone. Forget you. Because here's the reality, bro.
Yeah.
If you want the thing that is affecting you negatively to change, okay, you must change your current behaviors.
Mindset.
You must educate yourself in order for your current situation to change. You cannot come out of inflation if you don't know how to fight it.
You gotta learn how to fight it.
How are you going to win a battle that you're not even equipped for?
Sure.
Y'all are crazy. But it's okay. I think crying on TikTok and getting some validation, it's just some consolidation to that, so maybe it's a price or something.
The old time Grayscale, BlackRock, all these guys are taking you to the bank and getting richer. And you just sit there and complain. Why are they getting richer? They're already implementing. They're basically trying to get in at the base.
Yeah, they're attempting.
This is why you see all this fraud. They're coming at you heavy because they see the future. Grayscale, BlackRock, Bitwise, Fidelity will not get involved in something that they know does not have a future.
Exactly.
They did the same thing with the .com. They're doing it now. Wake up and realize that these guys see the future and they're trying to get in because they found out late. It's that simple.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, they've done it again. We hope that you found this video informative on some level. At the very least, entertaining. And of course, please, we urge you to tell your friends, tell your parents, your brothers, sisters, side chick, side dude.
Shit, talking about side chick, I need one right now. Just kidding.
So I don't want to get shot at the same time as you, okay?
Hey man, with all this BlackRock situation, man, I think I need one right now.
Listen, what I need is a sugar mama. 3 of them. Just wire out the money to my account, then we'll negotiate the other things after. You feel what I'm saying?
A rich one that has connection all the way to Fidelity.
Yeah. It has to be someone older than Fidelity. You know what I'm saying? We ain't got time for regular sugar mamas, man. It's negative. Okay. These are the new standards, ladies and gentlemen. From what I am seeing recently,
inflation is too much, man. I can't afford it.
Not only is inflation too much, there's a rise of women. There's a rise in the number of women who cannot keep up with this inflation. Okay, there's also a rise of women who are in this single range but very wealthy.
Stop it.
This video is taking direction. It's changing direction so massively right now. Listen, we're just kidding. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the same theme that we've been seeing over and over for a very long time. Yep. Okay, I think that Bitcoin is going to continue on this path. As you can see, the technology works. Still doing what it's supposed to be doing. The halving is coming in 2024. BlackRock does not have anything for that. Let's wait and see what happens. Okay, go ahead.
As a matter of fact, Bruce and I are going to start doing some educational videos to show you how Bitcoin works.
Yes.
Going to start seeing more of that coming from us. Yeah. Enough of all this constant madness.
We'll try our best, okay? We'll try our best. We hope you will try your best as well for your own good. Right? Yeah. Please, subscribe to the channel. Share with your friends. Let me repeat that part again. Subscribe to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Share the video with your friends. Don't be a hater. I'm kidding. Don't hold back the juice that is coming from this video. Okay. Also subscribe to or follow us on Twitter, STAKK, and of course we're also on Spotify, STAKK. All right. Until next time, eat your vegetables, drink water,
exercise.
That's the last one I was looking for. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, Brazen out.
Double O.